In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can log in with your Google account on DeepSeek AI. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to www.deepseek.com. Now, click on Start Now. After that, you're going to go and click right here to log in with Google. You're not going to type anything here. Instead, click right here. Then, you're going to choose your Google account that has a connected DeepSeek AI account on it. So choose one. Let's choose another one. Continue. Wait for a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully logged in to your DeepSeek AI account with your Google account. And if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.